Among many systems and guides available, this is the perfect way to build your very own energy system. These systems are a low investment and are not built using thousands of dollars. This means that if you are building it at home, you will not need materials worth thousands of dollars. You can easily choose the size of the solar panel or the wind turbine you are to build. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Using the DIY home energy systems can be a great way to make sure that your electricity bills are less. To install such systems you need some guidance, a do-it-yourself system guide. So it is important that you get the DIY home energy systems because it works. Of course, many people have tried this and have been successful in developing home-based energy systems and have saved lots of money. Many people have built their own solar systems and wind turbines. It helps you go green. Once you purchase the guide and the system is installed, then it means you are going green and saving the environment too. Cut the energy bills in half or completely eliminate them. Well, at last it's fun to have something like this that will enable you to practice and build your own system. It is not common for people to design their own solar home energy or wind energy systems. Among many systems and guides available, this is a great way to build your own energy system. The home energy means to make use of products and other materials to build a system at home to produce energy by using sun's radiation or use wind power. You must have seen a lot of people have installed these systems on their roofs or other places to make energy of their own. This is what helps them get a low energy bill. It is the world of science. Today people are not just relying on the electricity provided to them by the government, but are also looking for ways to make their own electricity to decrease their energy bills. The DIY home energy system is the best product to do so. In the market there are many available products, e-books and DVDs, that will help you know more about the process to build a home energy system. But the DIY home energy system is the perfect one. It helps you build your own system to make green energy. It will let you build the green energy, electricity out of natural things like sun or wind. Click the link in the description below this video for details.